Y'all here, quick video. This is a window molding video on a 2010 Honda Civic coupe. I've already done the other side. It's fairly simple. That's what the new molding looks like. Amazon link will be on the description. Makes it look really nice versus the cracked one over here that I have. I'm gonna be giving this car to my daughter, and pretty much you're just gonna remove the screw right here. Flip this camera around. Let's see if I can get it done real quickly. After you remove that screw, this piece will slide up, and then you can remove that piece. And then you could take a plastic trim tool, kind of like this. I hope you guys can see it. And it works a lot better when the window is down. You could either use the trim tool if it's stubborn, but this one I could just kind of like pinch it with both of my hands and lift up, and then the whole thing will just come off. And basically you're gonna pull a little bit towards the rear of the car, and the whole thing will come off. And then I have my new piece right here. Amazon link will be on the description. You're just gonna slide this on the rail and make it go in to where the side mirror is, so that it'll fit all the way. And then you could just push it down just like that. Let me just show real quick here. That's the new molding, and then these ones are the old molding. The old moldings are very cracked and ugly. So now that that's on, I could slide that piece back on right here, and that's what that looks like. Probably without the video, this installation will probably just take about 2 minutes. So with that on, just like that, that's what it looks like. And then pretty much I'm just gonna put on the screw right there. Finish up the video by adding the screw, which is somewhere in my back pocket. And then, so just gonna screw that on. Make sure when you slide it down that it latches so it doesn't come off. And that is how window molding on a 2010 Honda Civic coupe. I think it was 30 or 40 bucks, but definitely well worth it. I'm gonna give this car to my daughter, and I just wanted her to have a nice car because we're selling that Miata over there. Thanks for watching.